Breakfast, we got Megas again. I washed this down with Fruity Pebbles, Liquid Death, Fruity Pebbles. Lunch, we got some very crispy orange chicken. Left it in the air fryer a little too long and got distracted. Still good though. That's just flavor. And then we just got some water to wash it down with. Dinner tonight, we got Taco Bell. Taco Bell. We got 2 crunchy tacos. A taco that I don't know the name of, or I mess it up every single time. It's some avocado chicken tendy taco. Something. And then a grilled cheese burrito. Look at that. To wash it all down, we got a Bloom Pop. This is their strawberry and cream. Or strawberry cream. Strawberries and cream. Strawberry cream. Oh, that's good. It's very crispy, but it's good.